Hi there. How we can change different style of contours and how we can see the different types and elevation binding and slope and arrows. So for this purpose we will right click on the surface. We will select the surface from here, right click, edit surface style. Once we click, then we can go to the display option. From here we have different type of option. You can see here the user contours. You can see here the grid. As I explained the grid in the previous video, that we can create here the grid style for the box 25 and 25, secondary and primary grid. So we will go here display, and you can turn on from here the grid option, turn on and click on apply. You can see your grid is turned on very easily. So of this, for here you can see the direction, how you can see your surface direction. So turn on this layer, apply. You can see that your contours and your direction is look like this. So the next is elevation. You can just turn on the elevations option, apply. You can see how the elevation is coming. For example, this is the high levels, low levels and down level. If you go to the analysis, from the analysis easily you can see it, the elevation points in here, from here. Okay, so go to the display, and from here just show the slope, apply and slope. Okay, so from here also you can see the slope arrows. If you want to show the slope arrow, you can just turn off another layer, turn on, you can see the slope arrow from here. Okay, so click here, and here you can see the watershed. For the watershed you can see the different legend table, the different text you can also see, and also you can see the colors coding. If you want to change something in the watershed, you have this list. You can change it from here, the legend, surface points, geometry or boundary points, watershed. You can change it from here very easily, but we don't need to change it. So apply and okay, apply and okay. So now we will change the surface style. So click here, right click, go to the surface property, or you can go from here the surface property on this ribbon. So just click it here. This option will open from here. Okay, so before I explain that, for example, if you go to the edit surface style, and from here we on the elevation, apply, you can see. Okay, so if we select it and we go to the edit surface property style, and from here we can see the analysis. Once we click the analysis, we can also check the levels elevation analysis from here. So we will explain it later. So let me just go to the edit surface style and turn off this light. Okay, so now we will change the surface style. Edit, go to the surface property, and from here you can just go to the information. From the information you can see different style. If you don't need surface, if you are creating a road, or you can click off no display, then your surface will be disappear. So if you need only borders, you can just select the border only and click on apply. Here will be only your border for the surface. So here you can see that contour 1 meter and 5 meter. You can just make it here, and here is the 2 meter and 10 meter. You can just select 2 meter and 10 meter. You can just select 25 meter and 25 meter. This is a small area, that's why just only one contour. This is for the larger area. And here you can also see the triangles. If you need triangles, you can just select the triangle. If you need here the cut fill bending, you can just select this cut fill bending. If you need here the elevation bending, you can just select the elevation bending. It will be look like this. If you need interval, you can just select it. This all option you can just select it from here very easily. So you can change any kind of style, or if you want to edit the same, you can just go to this one, and from here you can change the color, each and everything as I explained. I hope this is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.